How to add or remove zoom to the accessibility shortcut menu on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Accessibility Shortcut. From here, we scroll down to the bottom, then tap on Zoom. When Zoom is selected, it will be added to the menu. So triple click on the side button, 1, 2, 3. This will allow you to open up the accessibility shortcuts menu. From here, you can see Zoom is available as a menu item. And when we deselect Zoom shortcut will be removed. So I need to triple click, 1, 2, 3. So Zoom shortcut will be removed from the accessibility shortcut menu. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.